Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will write 10 easy, simple and effective slogans on Save Earth. World Earth Day is round the corner. It is going to be celebrated on 22nd April 2025, which is celebrated every year annually to demonstrate support for environmental protection. World Earth Day 2025, which will be celebrated on Tuesday, will be held for the 55th time with the theme Our Power, Our Planet. Dear audience, what is your superpower to save your planet Earth? Let us know in the comment sections below. Now, let's start with the slogan writing. First slogan is Earth is our home. Protect it with care. Second slogan is A cleaner earth is a healthier earth. A cleaner earth is a healthier earth. Third slogan is Save Earth today for a better tomorrow. Save Earth today for a better tomorrow. Fourth slogan is Plant a tree, make earth pollution free. Plant a tree, make earth pollution free. Fifth slogan is Love Earth, it will love you back. Love Earth, it will love you back. Sixth slogan is Go green, breathe clean. Go green, breathe clean. Seventh slogan is Less pollution is the best solution. Less pollution is the best solution. Eighth slogan is Be the change, keep earth safe. Be the change, keep earth safe. Which is your favorite slogan amongst the following? Let us know in the comment sections below. Ninth slogan is Reduce, reuse, recycle. Keep earth alive. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Keep earth alive. Tenth slogan is Every day is Earth Day. Take action today. Every day is Earth Day. Take action today.